Hey class, today we are looking back at forces and motion. You've seen a few videos and hopefully done a few activities to get your mind thinking about how we get things to move. So today I'm going to read a section from our science book called What Makes Things Move? What is motion? Motion or movement is any change in the position of an object. What causes movement? Forces cause movement. All objects on Earth have forces acting on them at all times. A force can be a push or a pull. Each force has both strength and direction. Gravity is a strong force. Gravity pulls objects down toward Earth's surface. At the same time, the ground also pushes up against objects. When an object is at rest, it stays in place. The forces acting upon the object are balanced. When the forces acting on an object are unbalanced, an object will move. Take a look at that picture of the soccer ball. You can see gravity pressing down, pushing down. You can see the ball is at rest. It's also on grass, so there's going to be friction. There's a force with the grass against the ball. And the ball is also pressing down on the grass, and the grass is pressing up on the ball. So the ball is at rest. All of these forces acting on the ball are balanced. So they total out to a sum of 0. That's why the ball doesn't move. If a ball is resting on the ground, then the forces acting upon it are balanced. If someone kicks the ball, then it will move. The kick is a force pushing on the ball. The ball will move in the direction of the kick. A strong kick will push the ball, making it move quickly. A gentle kick will still push the ball. However, the ball may not move as fast or travel so far. The speed of a moving object is measured by how far it moves each second. The speed of the moving ball depends on the strength of the kick. It also depends on the other forces acting on the ball. As the ball rolls along, the ball rubs on the ground. Friction is a force that will slow the ball down as it moves. If the ball is kicked up into the air, then gravity will pull the ball back down to the ground. A gust of wind can change the direction of a ball. How fast will the ball move? Where will it go? The answers depend on the speed and direction of the forces acting upon it. Again, looking at your photograph, looking at the forces acting on the ball. If the ball is kicked, it will move. The forces acting on the ball are unbalanced. Well, I thought an interesting idea would be to make a paper airplane and think about the forces that are acting on the paper airplane. How does it move? How far will it travel? What changes how fast it moves? What changes how far the plane will travel? So, most of you are familiar with making paper airplanes. All you need is some scratch paper, certainly nothing that we need to keep. Some different designs for making paper airplanes. You can always just choose your favorite. I'm going to quickly show you mine. Take your paper, fold it long and skinny like a hot dog. Open it back up. Take the top corner, bring it to that center fold line, press it down, making a triangle. Do the same thing on the other side. One more time, come down from the top point to the next point of the triangle. Grab that, fold it into the center, press. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Press. Fold your airplane in half. And now you're going to fold your wings down. Just make them parallel. See what I did? I'm not going past the body. I go parallel with the body. And then I flip the plane and do the same thing on the other side. Just a quick way to make an airplane. Fold out those wings. And now we're ready to go. Let's see how far and how fast I can make my airplane fly. All right, guys, you're on set now with me, and we're gonna see how our airplanes fly. I'm gonna give you 2 different demonstrations. While I'm doing this, I really want you thinking about what kind of force is involved. Is it a push? Is it a pull? Is it strong? Is it weak? And I want you to think about how that affects the flight of our paper airplane. All right, here goes paper airplane 1. All right, and paper airplane 2. Think about the difference in the forces. All right, friends. So now what I want you to do is make some paper airplanes at home. Remember to use recycled paper so you're not using your parents' best printer paper. I want you to think about your forces, strong, weak. Is it a push? Is it a pull? And I just want you to record a video and let me know how your experiments went. All right, have a great time.